of sand in the zipper. Last August, still stuck in the seams. You smell like cheap hotels, salt on my skin. Check out at 10, that sunburn on my shoulders. The one we laughed and forgot again. Leftover sunscreen running down my head like last July. Rolling on, close my eyes, I swear I hear your name in the tide. All these tiny things we left behind. Living leftover sunscreen on a Tuesday in my kitchen light. Labels kind of faded, like the Polaroids taped to my wall. You in that crooked visor,